Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the new Popeyes location on Waterloo Road. It's actually at the intersection of Waterloo Road and Hope Road. So that's the building straight ahead, and the Popeyes is now open. There is a Krispy Kreme sign up and it says Krispy Kreme coming soon, and Krispy Kreme is the donut company. So I'm going to take a tour of this new location. I'm not sure what the address is, if it's Waterloo Road or Hope Road, but it's definitely at the intersection of Hope Road and Waterloo Road. This was an empty lot before. Okay, on the left is the drive-through. There you can see the drive-through. Now this facility has a huge parking lot. Okay, they have two entrances. There's an entrance from Waterloo Road and there's an entrance from Hope Road. But coming out must be a nightmare, because if you're going right, when you come out of here, they're going to have to pass 3 lanes of traffic to go right. And there's no sign that says no right turn. Okay, I'm assuming that's more parking over there on the left. Okay, so this is where the cars come out to the drive-through where we were heading, and straight ahead that's Hope Road. So straight across the road now, that is Devon House. Okay, so this looks like Krispy Kreme is also going to have a drive-through, but Krispy Kreme is not open yet. Alright, so straight ahead now is where you go to the Popeyes drive-through. This is really weird because you're going to access, okay, where you see the sign, that is the drive-through for Popeyes, and then right here where you see that little half drum, that's the drive-through for Krispy Kreme. But when the Popeyes drive-through is backed up, and you know fast food sometimes takes a little while, it's going to block the entrance to Krispy Kreme. Okay, let's show you the parking lot and then we continue on our journey. So it has a massive, well not massive, but a big parking lot, and there's additional parking on the right. Okay, and Popeyes does well in Jamaica. Probably hasn't reached the level of KFC yet, but it does well. Alright, so we're heading back out to Waterloo Road now. And then this is what I was talking about now. If you want to go on to turn right on out here, you have to go across 3 lanes. Well, 2 lanes and a turning lane. So this definitely, and there's no sign that says no right turn. So you're allowed to turn right, you just have to wait. And straight ahead, that's Devon House. Okay, I guess we have to wait till the light changes. And we can't exit onto Hope Road because when the cars come out of the Popeyes drive-through, they go in that direction. So this is the way you have to exit. Okay, I don't think this is going to work to turn right because now the light changed, but the traffic from Hope Road is now coming across. Okay, we can go after this car. Okay, this is definitely going to create a traffic problem when you're trying to get out of there and turn right. Alright, so there you have another, that's the drive-through there, and you can see a better angle of the restaurant from here. Okay, so straight ahead now, that intersection, we are on Waterloo Road, we go straight across, we go on to Trafalgar Road. If we turn left, we take Hope Road up to Ligony, turn right, we take Hope Road down to Half a Tree. And this is a very nice Popeyes though. It's just getting out, it's going to be a bit cumbersome. I guess they were limited by space because those two drive-through lines are going to hamper each other. But I guess they had to work with the space that they had. And that will be the first Krispy Kreme in Jamaica. I'm not sure if there's one at the Sangster International Airport because they have a lot of foreign brands or foreign restaurants there. I'm not sure if there's a Krispy Kreme, but this definitely will be the first one. If there's one at the airport, this will be the first one that the general public can go to. Alright, so we're on Trafalgar Road now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.